In this video, we shall be looking at multiples and common multiples of numbers. In JSS1 or in our book 1, we learned about what multiples of numbers are. That when two or more numbers can be divided by a number without remainder, these numbers are called multiples of that number. E.g., 2 divides 4, 6 and 8. So therefore, 4, 6 and 8 are multiples of 2. Also, 6 can divide 12, 18 and 24. So this makes 12, 18 and 24 multiples of 6. Note that a number has an infinite number of multiples, that is, has no end. The word infinite means it continues without an end. So multiples of numbers continues without an end. So e.g., multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, ... The 3 dots means it continues forever, as long and how far you can write it. So multiples of numbers has infinite number of multiples. So to get multiples of a number, we follow this format. So using 2 as an example, our first multiple is 2 multiplied by 1, which will give me 2. The second multiple is 2 multiplied by 2, which will give me 4. The third multiple is 2 multiplied by 3, which will give me 6. ... means it continues like that till eternity. So I use the word nth multiple, which means 2 times n equals to 2n. So where n is the number of multiples we have to get for a particular number. That is, I could tell you to get the 200th multiple. I could tell you to get 500 multiples of 2. I could tell you to get 1 million multiples of 2. So you keep doing it until you get to that. So example, find the first 5 multiples of 2 of the following: 1, 3, and the second 4. So solution: to get the first 5 multiples of 3, so let's see. The first multiple of 3 is 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. Second multiple is 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. Third multiple is 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Fourth multiple is 3 times 4, which equals to 12. Then the fifth multiple is 3 times 5, which equals to 15. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So for 4, the first multiple is 4 times 1, which will give me 4. Second multiple is 4 times 2, which will give me 8. Third multiple is 4 times 3, which will give me 12. Fourth multiple is 4 times 4, which will give me 16. Fifth multiple is 4 times 5, which will give me 20. So the multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So we have learned how to find multiples of number and what multiples of number is or are. So this will take us to another one, which we call it common multiples. If you check your English language, the word common means numbers that you can find in one and you can see in the other. So when 2 or more numbers have the same number occur in both, we say that they have common multiples. E.g., the first 5 multiples of 3 are: you have 3 to have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15, and 4 to have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So Now let's see the multiple that are common to both. If you check the multiples of 3, you see through. Check through the multiples of 4. So you can see that 12 is common to both. We have 12 in 3, we have 12 in 4. So the common multiple is 12. Do you understand that? Let's solve another example. Example says, write out the first 7 multiples of 2 and 4 and also list out the common multiples. So solution. Let's get the multiples of 2. So the multiples of 2 are 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4. So 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And the multiples of 4 are 4 times 1, 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, like that. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So we have gotten the first 7 multiples of both numbers. So let's now check out the common multiples. If you check, you can see that 4 is common in both. Can you see? 8 is also common in both. Can you see? And 12 is also common in both. So we have the common multiples to be 4, 8, and 12.